guys, I'm Chris Whitty from Real Avid. I want to go through with you some of our new products for 2019. This is our Smart 90 kit. So it's a drive set, but unlike other drive sets that aren't specific, ours is gun specific. We have our main driver, which has the jeweler's top. Other nice thing is it's got an LED built into it. Just hit the top button. The other nice thing about these black anodized bits is that they're squared. They're not beveled, so that when you stick it in the slot of the screw, you're going to get a tight fit, and it's not going to tend to slip like beveled ones do. We also have the small driver, which is convenient when you need to get into some tight spaces, but also doubles as a torque lever for the main driver when you need to really break a screw loose that's probably got some Loctite on it or whatnot. Also, your sight adjuster comes with it as well.